and welcome to Grace Tutorial. Friends, if you want to build and maintain a positive self-esteem, that you need to follow some certain steps. And I have said you the step number 1. Now let me tell you the step 2. The step 2 is that you need to practice discipline if you want to build the high self-esteem in your life. So what is this discipline actually? The discipline is not something that a punishment after a wrong is done. Discipline is not that a person takes off his belt and beats up others. That is madness. But you know, discipline is loving firmness. Discipline is an act of love. It is a prevention before the problem arises. Discipline is not something that you do to others, but something you do for those to whom you care about. You know, friends, not all the medicines are sweet, nor all the surgeries are painless, but we need to take them. It means that sometimes they must be unkind to be kind. And all of we must learn from a very big animal from the nature. That's what giraffe. You know, a mother giraffe gives birth to a baby giraffe. All of a sudden, the baby giraffe falls on the hard ground surface from the cushion of the mother's womb. And the first thing that the mother giraffe does is to get behind the baby giraffe and gives a hard kick. Then the baby giraffe gets able to get up, but it falls down because the legs are weak and wobbly. Once again, the mother giraffe gets back the baby giraffe and gives one more kick. The mother giraffe will be giving the kicks again and again until the baby giraffe gets up, because the mother giraffe knows that the one and only one chance for the survival of this baby is to protect from the predators. If she doesn't do like that, then the baby giraffe will be eaten up by some predators. Is this an act of love? Yes. Similarly, the children are brought up in a very disciplined and loving environment. But when they grow up, they end up respecting parents and become the more law-abiding citizens. The reverse is just true. So the discipline is not something that you do for others, but something that you do for those to whom you care about. Discipline is not the procurement of the enjoyment of your desire, but controlling the desire. So if you practice the discipline in your life, definitely that you can build and maintain a high and the positive self-esteem in your life. So this is the step 2. So thank you very much, my dear friends, for watching. If you do like, please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.